So you're interested in purchasing Bitcoin. This tutorial will highlight just how easy it is to buy Bitcoin using an Athena Bitcoin ATM. Select the Buy Bitcoin option on the screen and choose the amount that you would like to buy from two preset ranges. You will then be prompted to enter in your phone number using the keypad. Make sure you have a text-enabled phone with you in order to receive an authentication code. The system will now send a one-time personal identification number or PIN to your phone via text. Wait until you receive a text message containing the PIN. Using the keypad, enter the 5-digit PIN and press Continue Transaction. If you have already created an Athena Bitcoin wallet, open the app on your phone and request the QR code by pressing the green request box. You should see a square barcode on your screen. Hold the code up to the scanner like this and wait for it to scan. You may need to adjust the angle of your phone. Insert your bills into the bill acceptor one at a time. Athena Bitcoin ATMs accept all US currency. Press Finish when you have inserted all of your bills. The screen will display the amount of Bitcoin that you purchased. Select how you want to receive your receipt. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased Bitcoin from an Athena Bitcoin ATM. You can now hold on to it, sell it, or spend it on services that accept Bitcoin.